To factory reset your Pineworld biometric safe. This is going to remove all the administrative passwords, all the user passwords, everything like that, all the fingerprints and everything. Now you are going to need your administrative password in order for this to work, but if you have that, we can go ahead and do it with the lock open. We're going to come in and we're going to find this reset button right here, and we're just going to find something and we're going to press it for several seconds. Beep, keep holding.
Please verify the administrator.
So then it asks you to verify the administrative code. So for this one, I know it's this. And you can also do this with the fingerprint if you have it.
Initialization succeed.
So now the initialization is complete. It's brand new. It's like a brand new. And if you remember, the default administrative password on here is 123456. So that this old one that I just used is not going to work anymore. And it's the only one that's going to work now is the default one, which is 1. I'll wait till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Please long press 6 key to add the administrator.
And now I can go through the whole process of setting this up like new.